Brian. How do you ground Vittorio Brescia?
That does it. Brian. You are so grounded for 4 months. Go to bed now.
Oh my God. Tessa. How dare you ground Vittorio Brescia? That's it. You're grounded forever. Go to bed now.